Here's this is one of my project. This will be the cabinet for the solar power system. So this area that I built is where the old air conditioning is. So I just did a frame and have a single shelf. I've been using this as storage for my tools, and then I got two doors, So this flooring is reinforced. So I did put some of the insulation. So I drill a hole and then feed the insulation. So this is where the battery will be, at this area, and then I will build a second shelf for the additional batteries, and in that plyboard we'll put the MPPT and some of the circuit breakers and wiring for the solar panel system. Now I have when I remove the air conditioning, there's a AC line that came from the panel, so I will gonna use that for the inverter. So I'll be tapping onto the panel with the circuit breaker. Would be 110 or 220 volts. Okay, so then of course my solar panels are outside. Let me show it to you. So up there, this is my deck, and I already put up the 9 panels, 250 watts each, and then I have an existing panels. They are frameless, and what I did is I added it on the side. The side of my deck is facing the south, so these two panels, they're frameless, so I did a wooden frame. They're 300 watts each. So right now they're in parallel. I'm just checking the voltage on each time of day. So I use Unistrut, Superstrut for the hardwares of the panel. So I bought the panels like from Santan Solar in Phoenix. They delivered it to me. They are used panels, but they're still good. So I bought 10 of them, like one lot, but I only put up 9 panels up, and the single panel is remaining. So I still thinking of where to put it. I don't know, it might be a canopy. So the panels that these are the 300 watts each, frameless. I put it in parallel, and then I'm just monitoring the voltage. Right now it's 34.3 volts. That's the measured from the multimeter. So I have this parallel connection. So I'm just making sure that they are producing the power, even though they are on the side of my deck. Although this is facing south. So sorry about the sun. Okay, there you go. And then we will go here. So that's where panels. I got my 2-meter antenna, amateur radio. Yeah, I have my license KJ 7POL. That's my call sign. Alright, so back here I have this junction box, and down here is the battery. So these are all temporary. That's why after I get this cabinet, I have two AGM batteries here in parallel. And it's going inside the house. Okay, I want to show you that.